What is going on, guys? It's me, Victor, back again, and welcome back to my shop. And on today's episode, you guys gonna need to see how I end up customizing the piping on the green Civic, the eBay Turbo Kit Civic. So I had some piping laying down around that I was not gonna use, and I could not let this car have a stock piping, which is like I think it's like 1.5. I think it is, if I'm not mistaken. So I have a 2.5 inch pipe laying down around, so I'll say, hey, might as well let me install it on the car so I can breathe better. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I end up doing it, and yeah, and just enjoy the video, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell from the big difference from piping. I'm still gonna have to add some piping to that, but it's no big deal. I got some extra pipe in there. But yeah, we're gonna go from this little itty bitty rusted pipe to a I'm pretty sure this is galvanized steel. So it's not stainless steel, but it's galvanized steel. So yeah, and this is like, I'm pretty sure this is like 2.5, if I'm not mistaken. More airflow. So I have this 3/8 mild steel scrap piece that I got here. So I'm gonna make a flange out of it, just because I don't have one for one of the ends of the piping. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm gonna trace this out with a marker or something, and then I'm just gonna cut it with a grinder. But first I'm gonna do this hole with a hole saw, and then yeah, so it can be way easier. So last night I spent a couple hours making this flange from nothing. So I had a piece of flat bar, and then yeah, I just traced one of the gaskets, and I created this flange because I didn't have one. So I'm getting ready now to tack this in place on the piping, and then after that make sure everything is nice and you know, nice and level, so the tip at the end, it looks good. So I'm getting ready to do that right now. Like that, you see how it's over here nice and flush, and then over here it's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hold it there in place, tack it there 2 times, and then tack it here, and then remove the saw system, like this piece from down here to over here, and then just TIG weld the other way around. I know I said I was gonna use my TIG welder, but instead I'm gonna use my MIG welder. It's quicker, nice and quick. I mean, not nicer, but it's way quicker. See if you guys can see right there. So now, yeah, I did that pipe right there. I welded it all together. Now goes all the way through here, all the way to the back, and back here. I just did a I had a little had a tailpipe laying down around, so I just welded it like that. So what I got left over is make some hangers from here up, and then after that, yeah, she'll be done with a full exhaust. And then after that, I have to do the downpipe for the wastegate, and that will be it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the first startup on this exhaust system. Sound that bad. I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have a buddy of yours is, you know, has the same setup, kind of like that, just show them the video. That might help them out a little bit. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Next video is gonna be how I end up doing the wastegate. Because it has AC, I don't have not much room on it. So what I'm going to do is going to be I'm gonna recirculate the wastegate back down to the downpipe. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a little project. But yeah, I'll leave you guys there until the next one. Peace out, guys.